Okay, let's just do a quick tour of the physics website. Okay, there really are kind of two websites. There's a Google website that's got a lot of videos on it, and then there's this old website here. This is just a link to the district page, the high school page, a link to Google, which is sort of stupid, but there it is, right? This is just interesting links that we'll use in class. Okay, go up always means go to the next thing up from there. Here's my email address and everything, so if you need to contact me, there it is, right? Student opportunities, I don't know how up to date this is, but ASE and stuff like that. Um, Photographs, so when you see me with the camera, you can go in here and you can click on these, and clicking on that takes you to the next one. Wow, that's fast. Okay. So that's photographs. Oaks Park is we'll use that at the end of the year. It's got all kinds of videos and things like that for Oaks Park. We store everything there. We do our lab using computers for that. So there you go. The extravaganza, research pages. So all the Physics 2 kids do research. So if you're going to take Physics 2, you can go and look in what types of research projects the kids did last year, or the year before, everything, right? So there's research. Miscellaneous is just sort of random crap. There's a tour of the school, only it's like really old. You can go forward and forward, forward, turn right. Look, the tech wing's not there. It's crazy, huh? What else is there? There's just some weird stuff there. Yeah. Let's see, website tours. That would, yeah. I think I'm just going to make it just one link there for you guys. So this is kind of cool if you want to upload or download a file, right? If you want to put a file on this thing, the password will be in the classroom. You type it, and then you just choose a file. How about rules for sig figs? And then there's no progress bar because we're uploading. Chrome is nice enough to show us that it's 50%, 71%. Wow, it's a big file. There it goes. Okay, so there it is, right? If you go up, you can see the file you put on there. It got rid of the extension because it doesn't recognize .mov, but other ones it recognizes. But anyway, if you click on that, you could download it. So that's upload and download files. So you can put files on there. Sometimes attachments don't work on your email. This is really cool. Documents and lectures. Okay, this is your syllabus. So if you're in G and you want that syllabus, there it is. I often consult this. Here's IB, the syllabus, right? All of the handouts, all of the little cute Word documents that I use, they're in here. So for G, the chapter 2, motion in one dimension, all of the little documents are there. There we go. And then all of the really, really boring PowerPoints, those things are there too. So if you want to see that, there they are. If you want to make fun of them or whatever you want to do, right? The wiki we're not really using so much. These are solutions to problems, and that's kind of an old part of the website. Let me show you this, though. You'll like this. If you go into here, let's go to Physics G, right? You can go to your chapter, and here are those same links to the handouts are all there. Use the back arrow from these guys, the lecture, the syllabus, everything, right? It's got utilities, so like the Speed Trap Lab, if you need help with it. Here are videos, really, really boring videos of me explaining the Speed Trap Lab, how to do that, if you missed that, right? So there's that for all of these labs. That's kind of neat, right? Here are some homework solutions. I'm trying to go to more video tutorials, so you'll see that get built as the year goes. We're kind of building the ship as we sail it, right? Chapter 2 test is kind of out of date because we're going to do different tests this year. But anyway, here are homework solutions. Some of those are kind of out of date. Look for more video tutorials, right? Let's take a look at IB on the IB physics side. It looks very much the same because we're doing kind of the same thing. Only Google is being very slow. Very, very slow. Let's see. Is it on that tab? No. Must be here. Let's try it again. Oh, there we go. Right, so you can go to this chapter. You can see I just added these sig figs and uncertainty. Here's help for the labs. This is some of these things you're going to have to watch, like this one that's not there, right? You'll have to watch these things before class. Like that's the only way you'll learn it is you'll have to watch it. This is called video flipping, and we'll do some of that. So look on your syllabus. Look on your syllabus. How would we get our syllabus? A lot of ways. Let's do this, right? So if you look at let's look at the IB syllabus, right? Notice that some of these things say video flip free fall problems. You're going to learn that outside of class. In class, you're going to work on the stuff, and I'll be able to answer questions. So that's kind of a neat thing. The good part about that is I can help you in class. The bad part is if you don't watch that video, then I can't really help you. You're going to have to watch it. You don't know how to do it, right? So whenever it says video flip, be sure you watch those videos. Other videos are just there in case you miss class. Okay? Is there anything else to show you? No, not really. That's pretty much all there is on the website.